Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn job alerts for your niche role. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Type www.linkedin.com into the address bar and press enter. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the job title related to your niche role. Press enter to search for those job listings. On the search results page, locate the Jobs tab and click on it. This will filter the results to show only job postings. Next, look for the Create Job Alert toggle. You can find this option usually on the right side of the page. Click the toggle to enable job alerts for your selected role. A prompt will appear asking you to customize your alert settings. Here, you can specify your preferred location and job type. Adjust the frequency of alerts to daily or weekly based on your preference. After making your selections, click the Save button to confirm. You will receive notifications via email or in-app whenever new jobs are posted that match your criteria. For additional customization, revisit the Job Alerts section in your profile settings. Here, you can manage all your job alerts in one place. Ensure that your profile is fully optimized to attract potential employers. Now you're all set to receive job alerts tailored to your niche role. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.